Hello, mother. I love you. How description. My house is located in front on the main avenue. It has 4 rooms, 8 gates, 8 rooms, a kitchen, and 2 bathrooms. The last 2-story house located on a sidewalk. I live with my husband and my son. Near my house there is a school, a hospital, a minute away from the town where we make my cake. I wake up at 5 in the morning, I brush my teeth, I take a shower, I make breakfast, I send my son to school, I start studying. In the afternoon, I prepare lunch, I share with my son at TV, I go together with my husband, and at 5 I go the church. At night, after chores, I do more homework. I share with my family, and at 11 I go to sleep. Thank you.